Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install holders. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the IRF handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the Cavi handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Put all handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine, and then press power switch to start the machine. The function selection interface will appear. Choose function based on your needs. Press Cavi function button. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 16 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 1 to 9. 3 to 7 is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection, constant working mode, suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. The latter is recommended for first-time users. Apply ultrasonic gel evening before treatment. Press the start button to begin the treatment. Please note, please make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones. Press stop button to finish the treatment. Press vacuum and RF function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Null mode is recommended. Suction time range is 0 to 9. 3 to 8 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 9. 0 to 6 is recommended. Note, suction time should be longer than release time. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction status. Mode selection, NOR, fixed mode. The red light is on and energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro, smart mode. The red light is on and energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Perform the treatment after the cream liquefies in case there's blockage. The knob for adjusting suction level is on the top of the machine, adjusted based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Press the start button to begin the treatment. Press stop button to finish the treatment. Press body RF function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly before treatment. Press start button to begin the treatment. Press the stop button to finish the treatment. Press the phase RF function button. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection is the same with body RF function. Press the start button to begin the treatment. Apply RF cream evenly before treatment. Press the stop button to finish the treatment. Press I RF function button. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection is the same with body RF function. Press the start button to begin the treatment. Apply RF cream evenly before treatment. Press the stop button to finish the treatment. Press hot and cold function button. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Mode selection, cold mode and hot mode. Apply gel or face essence evenly before treatment. Press the start button to begin the treatment. Press the stop button to finish the treatment. Press bio function button. Working time. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Bio energy level 3 to 7. Adjust energy level based on individual endurance. M1 mode is recommended. Mode selection M1 low frequency pulse current, M2 high frequency pulse current. Choose proper working mode based on individual endurance. Those who are sensitive to electric currents are not recommended to take the treatment. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece: wave, light with a certain color flashes, mode or on, change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light, auto, lights with multiple colors flash cyclically, off, turn off the light. Apply face essence before treatment. It is recommended that you should apply face mask and take the treatment at the same time. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handles for the next time use.